Hello, alright, let's create this flyer together. If you just joining me for the first time, do not forget to subscribe. Okay, the first thing I'll be doing is I'll be bringing in everything I need to create this design. Alright, so I've already done the design anyway, but let's just start afresh. So let me delete every of the elements except this one anyway. So the text, this particular icon will be in the description of this video. All I just did was just to change the color. By default it was black, I painted it white. Okay, so let me just position it this way. This particular element is not an element per se. All I just did was, what the hell is wrong? Alright, so it's just what it is. I changed the color to yellow. So just change the color to yellow. So the next thing okay, this is the model. Now increase the size, position it this way. Alright, so I will come to color field, the contrast to about 25. I guess that's all. The brightness, no, is not necessary. It's dark already. The image is dark already, but let's just see. Okay, I have this here. So the next thing is just come to shape, circle. Okay, I'll copy this one again, then reduce the size, okay, I'll change the color, reduce the size again, change the color to black. Alright, so also okay, okay, all right, okay, then let's just bring in a text. Let's change the typeface to font bold. All right, okay. Is there need for padding? Okay, all right, so I by mistake I put on the max 2, so I'll just put it off. So I just need to change the color to black so I can actually see what I'm doing. So you know what, let's just merge these two. Okay, all right, okay, all right, Alright, so okay. Alright, so this is what we have. It's actually unnecessary anyway, so I'll just send it to the back. I can as well just write the name, so you can see the image is quite dark. The original image is dark. It was desaturated except the lips. Current dates, so you can just leave your date the way you like. I just choose to make use of 15 2020, no, 15 December. So the alignment should be center, while the typeface should still be on third bowl. Okay, we have this. Now the dates we can now gladly lock. Alright, so I'll just bring in an imaginary wish. So this is where the wish comes in. Let's just assume this is my birthday wish. Just reduce the size to about 16. Okay, let me make use of 15. Let's just put it like this. I want to make use of this 5 face. I'll change it to Montserrat bold, so it is centered aligned. So okay, now we are done. So this is so the next thing is just come here and create a shape. Change the color to this one. I'm going to release it a bit. I'll just position it here. And okay. For this particular one, we can still leave it like this. I just decided to try something else. Shadow, just click here and just click OK. So I don't want to tamper with. So I'll just alright. It's actually not necessary. This thing I just did is not necessary. So I'm done with this design. But for this particular one, I just feel I can reduce the size a bit. and also for the name, but you can still, it will still suffice. Right, so we are done with our design. So you can just do me a favor by, now I was thinking of adding a particular element as my just texture. Come here and locate a particular element. Okay, please subscribe. Do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to subscribe. If you just joined me for the first time, hit the subscription button. So this is the element. Now if you look at the circle, you see this particular element there. So I'll just no, so it's giving it a kind of feel, a different feel. So for this particular one, the shadow is not necessary, even though for the design in particular the shadow is not necessary. So I'm done. So I'll just save as ultra whatever. I've already saved it, so I don't want to save it. So when you're done, I won't be taking it to Snapseed to enhance. I'll enhance it here. So I'll just bring in the design. Now this one I've been worked on. Let me bring in the design, the one I saved. Alright, so this is it. I'll just increase the size as 100. Make sure it's at the center. Then I'll come to color filter. I'll increase the saturation. It's about 25. Then I'm not touching the brightness. The design is already dark. So let me touch the saturation by 5. Okay, now you can now gladly export as ultra. So you're going to get something like this. Something like this is what you're going to get. So that's everything for this video. You can actually compare it with how it was before. This is how it was before. This is after the enhancing in Pixellab. So we can. Alright, so do not forget to subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.